This is Ulanzi TT-38 tabletop tripod. If you're looking to kickstart your vlogging setup, I think this is the most essential piece of tabletop tripod that you can own. This is really lightweight at about 250 grams, give or so. Has really nice and sturdy construction. It's made up of metal and plastic mix and has some really nice nifty features which are very useful for vlogging. I think one of the most useful feature of this is converting it from an handheld mode like this to a tabletop mode, which will turn it into a tabletop tripod. So there's a switch here and you have to press the switch and be clear of the side of the tripod, and if you switch it on, then it deploys the legs. This is really cool and very nice feature, and then it can be very sturdily set on a table. The feet are have rubber edges on the feet and are really sturdy. So you can see there are rubber edges of all the feet here. And to close the tripod, you just have to take all the legs and just put it in, and it locks automatically. It comes with a ball head. So there's a ball head here and a lock to lock the ball head, and it can rotate freely, and it has a notch here so that you can move it into a vertical position. I think it's really handy and I really like to use it. It's very convenient. It is compatible with AKA Swiss mount plate, and it comes with a plate. I'm using it currently on my camera, so it's really sturdy. And then there is the lock mechanism, so once you place the plate, you can just lock it in, and you can press it in and then slide it on the right to lock it. It also has a notch here for attaching flash or mic. It's a cold shoe mount on this side, and on this side you can easily rotate the base plate 360 degrees horizontally by using this knob here. I think all in all, for 50 euros, I got this for 50 euros on Amazon on a sale, and I will put a link in the description if you want to purchase it through my link. I think that would be really helpful to the channel. I really love this tripod. I've been using it for almost 3 months now. It's really lightweight, great for traveling and on the go photography or videography. Another nifty little feature of this is there's a spider mode of this tripod. So as you can see, there is a hook which comes out from this side, and then with the help of the two legs you can plug it in any edge of the wall or on the fence and really use it as a spider mode of this tripod to record videos or take photos. I think I've not used it so much myself, but I think it would be really handy in certain situations, I can imagine. Overall, I think I'm really happy with this tabletop tripod. It has a nice feel to it. It feels premium, has a really nice metal construction, lightweight, about 250 or 300 grams. I'm not sure exactly the figure, but it's really lightweight to hold. It has a very ergonomic feel where you can place your finger here at the notch and then hold it with the camera. I think I'm holding it with my Sony a6700 with Sigma 18-50 lens. And I think the overall camera design and the weight of the camera balances itself really well on this tripod. I really like it, and I hope if you go for it, I think you will like it too.